The last portion right here is periodic functions, and basically all this is saying is find a coterminal angle that's on the unit circle in order to evaluate. So here, negative 11 pi over 2 is not on the unit circle, so I'm just going to keep on adding 2 pi until I can find a coterminal angle that's on the unit circle. So 2 pi is the same thing as 4 pi over 2. So if I add 4 pi over 2, I'm now at negative 7 pi over 2. I'll add another 2 pi, which is once again the same thing as 4 pi over 2, which is going to give me a negative 3 pi over 2. Still not on the unit circle because I'm not a positive value. So we'll add one more 2 pi, which once again is the same thing as 4 pi over 2, and I get pi over 2. So the sine of negative 11 pi over 2 is going to be the exact same thing as the sine of pi over 2, which is on the unit circle, and that's 1. The cosine of negative 11 pi over 2 is the exact same thing as the cosine of pi over 2, and we can see that's 0. Evaluating the sine and cosine for 6 pi, this one's pretty easy to come up with. You subtract 2 pi, which gives me a 4 pi. Subtract 2 pi again, which is 2 pi. So the sine of 6 pi is the exact same thing as the sine of 2 pi, which is going to be 0, because we're looking at the ordered pair 1, 0 on the unit circle. And then the cosine of 6 pi is the same thing as the cosine of 2 pi, and that's going to be 1.